Welcome to CricNuts, cricket recaps and insights.
Under the Millennium Cricket League's radiant sun, the Euphoria CC and NJ Sluggers duel unfolded, a vibrant tapestry woven with strokes of passion and precision. A battleground set for a tale of willow and leather awaiting its heroes.
The canvas was laid on the emerald greens, with the Sluggers and Euphoria locking horns in a cricketing conundrum. An atmosphere electric with anticipation, a chapter of the F40 League Division A clash set to be inked in the annals of cricket.
Recognition to our sponsors who are as integral to the game as fielders on the boundary line. Their support crafted the platform for today's exhilarating face-off that kept us on the edge of our seats.
Like a Varun Qatari Yorker rattling the stumps, Diff Gen Pharmaceuticals delivers with precision. And how about the Park Special? A culinary innings building an appetite as vigorous as today's game.
Euphoria took to the crease, their ambitions lofty as Everest, yet stumbled, their plot twisting with each thunderous blow from Sluggers' attack. It was a narrative of calculated assault meets disarray, setting a stage where only one could emerge regnant.
Indeed, it was a wicket waltz to a Sluggers' triumph with Qatari leading the dance, twirling Euphoria into submission. The slide of wickets, an echo of uncertainty, until Sluggers marched in with bats blazing, scripting a chase that will be etched in the memories of those who witnessed it.
The Euphoria innings unfurled like an ill-fated symphony, crescendoing only to crumble under the Sluggers' orchestrated attack. Amid the chaos, Parth P. Patel's bat whispered promises of resistance.
Qatari, the maestro of Sluggers' bowling ensemble, conducted a clinic in demolition, chipping away at Euphoria's tilted resistance. The stage was set, the Sluggers' confidence brewing like a storm.
In reply, Sluggers' batsmen played the Pied Pipers, charming the chase, led by Aditya's explosive melody. Verma maintained the rhythm, and together they stitched a saga of conquest.
The Sluggers' chase was a masterclass, not a single note out of place. As Euphoria's bowlers toiled, the scoreboard ticked, an unstoppable tide, sweeping aside any semblance of defense.
Qatari spun his web with precision, capturing 5 wickets with the guile of a chess grandmaster. Meanwhile, Aditya's blade sang a siren song, luring Euphoria to the depths of defeat.
Aditya's bat, a wand conjuring runs, cast a spell binding enough to seal the match. Qatari's bowling stitched the narrative that unfurled Euphoria's plans, the twin pillars on which the Sluggers' triumph was built.
The Sluggers emerged as the victors by 9 wickets, a margin narrating dominance, shaped by incisive bowling and an unyielding chase that left Euphoria's aspirations adrift.
A triumph culminating in joyous roars, the Sluggers basked in the glory of a tale well scripted. A 9-wicket win not merely on paper but etched in the hearts of their followers. This wicket waltz ends with the Sluggers ascending the throne, a testament to their strategy and execution on the field. A tale that will inspire and intimidate in equal measure in the matches that await.
As the dust settles on this cricketing theatre, it's the Sluggers' symphony that resonates. A performance that will echo as they march on, with eyes now set on greater glories in the F40 League.